might not be a part of Modi 3.0. But then let's get you the next breaking update, the details of which are on your screens. Now, this is the BJP's Sundargarh MP, Jewel Ram Ola, who's also got a call for the Modi cabinet ministerial post. Sabyasachi is also joining us live. Now, Sabyasachi, Dharmendra Pradhan, then the Sundargarh MP. Now, there was a lot of speculation on who gets the call from Odisha, considering Odisha is a state where the BJP has done spectacularly. So clearly, Odisha gets a place of prominence in the cabinet. But then what about the other question, that who gets to be the Odisha chief minister?
Well, absolutely. The Odisha state will be extremely important because whoever becomes the minister designate, his chances to be the CM won't be there. Jewel Oram, who's the Sundargarh MP, has got a call from the High Command, and he has been asked to be present here in the national capital. Meanwhile, it is yet to be seen whether he would be a minister designate or not. But from the Odisha point of view, a lot of probable names are coming out to be the first BJP CM from the state. The preparations, if we talk about Odisha, the preparations are in full swing. The tents are being built for the oath-taking ceremony of the BJP CM, but the suspense still remains because around 3 to 4 leaders are in the line, and the final decision would be taken by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the BJP High Command, looking at all the aspects, because time and again the BJP, while they were campaigning in the state of Odisha, have spoken about Odia Asmita. So this particular angle will be extremely important, and they have said that the person who becomes the CM would be from Odisha, would be from within the people itself. So a lot depends on today's meeting, as well as the minister designate who would be taking oath today along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. If there are more than one MPs, there are 2 or 3 MPs from the state of Odisha, that we have to wait and see how things will pan out.
All right, Sabyasachi, for the moment, thank you for getting us the latest. So I think a lot of important details continuously moving. We have both Pragya and Sabyasachi, and we also have a great panel of guests joining us. I'll just take a moment to introduce all of them, and then we'll keep taking turns to get a quick insight from everyone today, because the larger message, I think, of continuity of consensus, again, something JVC, as we are reading through all these names, all these details that our team of reporters has been able to scrape through.